Hey guys, it's Max from Epic Music Academy and welcome to another online drum lesson. Sweet. Okay guys, so today we're going to do a new beat. This beat is in what we call 6/8, which means we count 6 beats per bar. A bar's kind of every time the beat repeats over and over. Most of the beats you have done previously have been in what we call 4/4, which is 4 beats per bar. Basic rock beat. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. So this is in 6. So instead of counting up to 4, we're going to count all the way up to 6. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. So what we're going to do is, on every number, I want you to tap your right leg with your right hand. So it will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, on 1, we're also going to now add in a kick drum, so our right foot. So we'll have our right hand and our right foot together on 1, and then a right hand on every other beat. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. So now we're going to add in the left hand, the snare. So on beat 4, we're going to play our left hand. So on beat 4, we're going to have our left and our right hand together. On beat 1, we have our right hand and our right foot together. And then every other number, just the right hand. So it'll sound a little like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 4, 1, 4. Okay guys, now we're going to do our drum fill part of the beat. So what we're going to do again is divide up our lap in half both ways. So we're going to pretend that they're different drums, right? So we have snare, tom 1, tom 2, and tom 3. So because the beat is in 6/8, so 6 beats per bar, that means we have to have 6 hits before we go back into the beat. So what we're going to do is, starting with our right hand on the snare, we're going to go snare and then up to 1 and then 2. So snare 1, 2, snare, tom 1, tom 2. Make sure you're going right, left, right. Snare 1, 2, snare 1, 2. Right, left, right. Okay, in the second part, we are going to take our left hand on the snare, and then our right hand on 2, left hand over to 3. So then we have left, right, left. Snare, 2, 3. Snare, 2, 3. So the first part, snare 1, 2. And the second part, snare 2, 3. So we put it together. Snare 1, 2, snare 2, 3. Snare 1, 2, snare 2, 3. Snare 1, 2, snare 2, 3. Make sure you're going right, left, right, left, right, left. So now you need to play that and by starting with the beat and then going into the fill, back into the beat. So we'll give that a go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 5, 6, right, left, right, right, left. So a bit faster. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Okay, so I want you guys to practice that. Start off really slow, get it sounding really good, and then slowly speed it up.